In this video, we are going to tell you about the different accessories of our Hydra oxygen machine. The spray gun has a silicone edge to attach a vial. Burns machine includes 2 vials. You can keep the spare one in a safe place and use it as a replacement, or change the vial depending on the product you want to use. To install the vial, just fill it with a tonic or liquid solution and attach it to the spray handle. To remove it, just pull the vial downwards. The device also includes a needle to open the spray gun in case it gets clogged. Poke the hole of the sprayer with a needle, either to unclog it or just to clean it after each use. It's super easy. Abrasion pen. The abrasion pen works together with the liquid solutions found in the machine's bottles. Before starting with the treatment, make sure each of the abrasion pen's parts is well set. These parts include an O-ring, a filter, and the tips. O-ring. The pen requires an O-ring which prevents water from leaking during water suction. You may need to replace it eventually if it gets damaged. To do so, remove the old one and replace it with one of the spare O-rings. Filters. After some uses, you will need to replace the filter of your pen. To do so, remove the old one, place the spare round filter on the top of the pen, and press it slightly with your fingers. The central part will come off, and you would just need to place the tip of your choice on top. Tips. There are 6 types of tips available for your abrasion pen, and they all adapt to every type of skin and liquids. Choose the tip you want to use, and after attaching the filter to the pen, put the tip on top and press it to fasten it. Every tip has a different shape: plain, at an angle, or spiral, allowing estheticians to work comfortably. You can even change the tip during the treatment by pulling the tip upwards and replacing it with a new one. Those were all the tools you need for your abrasion pen. Skin scrubber. The skin scrubber comes with a cover you must remove before beginning the treatment. Remember to apply facial tonic when using this treatment. If your machine does not turn on, you might need to replace its fuse. First, turn it off and unplug it. Using a screwdriver, remove the compartment that is located between the switch and the plug. There, you will find the damaged fuse. Remove it and replace it with a spare one by pressing it. Put the compartment back into the machine. Plug the connector again and check the machine works.